In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Apple Calendar events on iPhone. To begin, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. You can find the Calendar app easily on your home screen. It has a distinct icon that looks like a calendar page. Once you tap on it, the app will load your current month, displaying all your events. This is a crucial first step because it sets the stage for managing your calendar effectively. You want to ensure you are in the right place to see all your scheduled events, making it easy to locate the one you plan to delete. Next, find and tap the event you want to remove. As you scroll through the calendar, look for the specific event you wish to delete. You might see various events marked on different days. When you find the event, simply tap on it to view the details. This action is important because it confirms you are about to delete the correct event. Tapping the event opens up more information, allowing you to double-check that it is indeed the one you want to remove. After selecting the event, tap Delete Event. This option usually appears at the bottom of the event details screen. When you tap this, you will see a prompt asking for confirmation. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. By tapping Delete Event, you are indicating to the app that you are ready to remove this event from your calendar. You will notice how the app responds quickly to your command, giving you reassurance that your action is being processed. Now tap Delete Event again to confirm. This second confirmation is a safeguard to ensure you truly want to proceed with deleting the event. It's common for apps to ask for confirmation to avoid unwanted actions. Once you confirm, the event will be removed from your calendar. This makes sure your calendar stays organized and free of clutter, allowing you to focus on what's important. If the event you are trying to delete is part of a repeating series, Apple will show you extra options. You may see choices like Delete Only This Event, Delete All Future Events, or Delete All Events. This feature is particularly useful for recurring meetings or appointments. If you only want to remove one instance of the event, choose Delete Only This Event. If you want to remove all future occurrences of the event, select Delete All Future Events. Choosing Delete All Events will eliminate the entire series. This flexibility allows you to manage your calendar according to your needs. If you can't delete the event, it may belong to a subscribed calendar, like Google or Outlook. In that case, you will need to take a few additional steps. Open the Calendar app again and tap Calendars at the bottom. This will display all the calendars you have subscribed to or created. Knowing how to access this menu is important because it allows you to manage various calendars effectively from one central location. Next, tap the Emo button next to the calendar that has the event. This will bring up options specific to that calendar. You may then see the option to tap Delete Calendar or Unsubscribe. Selecting either of these options will remove the calendar from your device, along with any events associated with it. This step is vital if you wish to eliminate events from calendars that you no longer wish to follow. Finally, if you see a suspicious event from someone you don't know, you can tap Report Junk. This feature helps keep your calendar free of unwanted spam. After that, tap Delete and Report Junk. This action not only removes the event but also helps Apple improve its services. By reporting junk, you contribute to a cleaner and safer app environment. With these steps, you should feel more confident managing your Apple Calendar events on your iPhone. Your calendar will reflect only the events that matter to you, making it a valuable tool in your daily life.